Hello guys, welcome to School Island, home of King Kong. Oh no, not now! Hello guys, what's up? Today we are taking you to School Island or Saba Island. Right between Saint Martin and Saba Island, it's approximately 19 minutes.
Saba is a rare volcanic tropical island almost completely covered by a single rhomb-shaped volcano called Mount Scenery. The 887 meters high mountain scenery is a potentially active volcano with a cloud forest at the summit. The last time it erupted was in the early 1600s.
Guys, it is a pleasure to represent you our guide today in Saba. That is Jamel from Triple T Taxi.
Hi guys, welcome to Saba, and if you ever need a tour guide, Triple T Taxi is here.
Yay! Oh.
So from here we're going straight up hills.
How many cars you have on this island?
How many cars I hit?
Yeah.
None.
None?
None. People hit me.
Oh, okay. So
I'm a good experienced driver for my age.
Saba has a population of only 2,000 and 4 small villages: Hell's Gate, Windward Side, St. John, and the capital, the Bottom. All 4 villages are connected by one main road, a narrow thoroughfare named the Road. It was constructed by hand with picks and wheelbarrows, beginning in 1943. This road took 15 years to complete. There are no traffic lights, no stop signs, and it's laden with steep inclines and multiple hairpin turns, while portions of the pavement are only wide enough for a single car. On the island, they have a rent-a-car, but taxis are the best and most economical way to get around. Saba Island lies southeast of the Virgin Islands, and together with Bonaire and St. Eustatius it forms the BES Islands. Unlike any other Caribbean destination, Saba is untouched by the quickening pace of the modern world, with a pure scenery and untouched beauty. Locals call it the Unspoiled Queen of the Caribbean.
This is the only beach around the island where locals can swim, because the waters around the island are very rough.
The most popular attractions on the island are scuba diving, climbing to Mount Scenery, and hiking. This region features one of the healthiest oceans in the world, with spectacular pinnacles, stunning seamounts, drop-offs, walls, thriving coral reefs, and a huge variety of fish.
Our tour guide Jamel just left us at hiking trail, and guys, now we are entering the jungle to find a King Kong.
There are only 2 islands like this. One of them is Molokai in Hawaii.
The hiking on Saba is exciting as diving in its waters. Waving through the rainforest, cloud forest, and coastal terrain, there are 23 self-guided hiking trails. The best time to get started is about 9 a.m. or 10 a.m., so you can reach the summit around noon, the least cloudy part of the day.
This is first time that we are in a jungle, and it's really magnificent. I can't describe this.
Fresh air, shade all the way. It's amazing.
For you it's easy.
Oh, it's okay, baby.
From the entrance to the hiking trail where Jamal left us to the top of the mountain through the jungle, it will take us around 1 hour. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm out of shape. Totally.
Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle.
To show you where we are now, I will try to let drone in the air. Let's go. We are entering a small town at Saba windward side. This behind me is the smallest airport in the world, and views from this airport are magnificent.
The best souvenir from Saba is the deep connection visitors often develop with the island, its people, and the relaxed flow of daily life in this tropical paradise.
Both ride to School Island is very bumpy and our little traveler is having a hard time.
Guys, that's everything from Saba. Thank you for watching and see you at our next destination. Bye!